Tell number one. My friend. My name is Nasratullah Rahman. I'm from Bogor. And my mother not tell number one.
Guess what? I'm from job.
This friend. Working on job.
Working as a second officer in Kuala Lumpur.
Wow. That's fantastic.
So have you found and jobs?
Nothing yet. I'm still waiting response from company.
I hope you get the answer. So
Thank you very much. Guess what? A funny job.
that's great. What kind of job?
Working as a second officer inclusive.
Wow, that sounds fantastic.
So have you found a job?
Looking at, I'm still waiting response from some companies.
I hope you get the answer some.
Thank you, buddy.